Hi. In this video, we are going to install Plesk panel on our Linux-based Ubuntu server 22.04. To start with, we have to log into our server as root. And we need to update the pre-installed packages on our server. It's always a good idea to update pre-installed packages on a new server, especially if you're just getting started. Next, we have to open up these two Plesk ports in the firewall using UFW so that we can access the admin panel, port number 8880 and port 8443. We gotta download the Plesk installer from their official website. If you encounter a command not found error for wget, it means that it is not installed by default on your server. So either use curl or install wget before downloading Plesk installer through wget command. After you download the installer file, make sure it can be executed independently before running it. To do this, we need to change its permissions to 755. We can easily run this file by using the following command. Press F and enter. Press Y and enter. Press F and enter. Press F and enter. Plesk has been installed on our Ubuntu server. Now we just have to copy this URL and open it in our browser. It's time to install Plesk now, and we will also activate the official 15-day trial period. We just need to enter the admin email here. And now we just need to enter our admin login password. The default username is admin, but you can also log in with the root username. And the password you set here will work for the admin username. If you're using the root username, make sure to enter the same password you used to log into your server via SSH. Here, choose to proceed with the full-featured trial license, and check this confirmation message, and click Enter Plesk. We've successfully activated the 15-day trial for the Plesk license. During these 15 days, we can utilize all the features of Plesk Obsidian without any restrictions. Thank you for your time.